everyone, this is part 2 of Rigas Street Walk and we continue our walk along Rigas Street. On the right you can see Church of St. Peter's in Chain and it was built in 1848 and rebuilt from 1924 till 1934 because it suffered in World War One. In the architecture of the church, there are features of classicism. It looks like St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican. The large dome of the white church rests on four double pillars. Riga Street acquired its current appearance after reconstruction in 2009. Now the street is home for various cafes, restaurants, stores, hotels and hostels. In September 16 is Riga Street Day, what is celebrated every year starting from 2014 when the street is decorated and on that you can see different expositions of universities, businesses and technique. On the right you can see Hotel Latgola and the Solar Trade Center which is attached to it. The building of hotel started in 1967 and in the 1970s was opened Hotel Latvia. It is the old name of this hotel. At that moment, it was the tallest building in the city with 339 hotel rooms. In 2003 was started hotel reconstruction because of the bad shape of the building. There was a lot of cracks in the walls and facade. In the process of reconstruction was demolished the attached one-story department store. Together with reconstruction of hotel was reconstructed Central Square. From old hotel left only load-bearing walls. New hotel was opened in June 2006 and was named Park Hotel Latgola. The tallest building in the city was enlarged by two more floors and a cafe with a view on the central square was opened on the glazed 11th floor. A two-story shopping center Solo was built in the place of the old former department store. This big grey building is Unity House, what was built in December of 1937 on the initiative of the President Carlos Ulmanis. It was a huge complex which, in addition to the theater and concert hall, housed the printing house of the newspaper Daugavpils, a hairdresser shop, a cafe and even a swimming pool. Nowadays, in this building is a theater and library. In Soviet times, since 1970, on the square stood a monument to Lenin, notable for his winter clothes. According to legend, the winter Lenin was supposed to go to the city of the Severodvinsk, but the cities got mixed up and Lenin in forehead stood in our city until 1991. Now square is used for Christmas trees, fairs and concerts. As you can see on Hotel Latgola on 11th floor is a cafe with a beautiful view on the square. You can visit it and enjoy some meal and a beautiful view. This is the main entrance in the Unity House. As you can see, it is a big massive building what was built in Stalin's Empire style. I continue my walk along Rigas Street and as you can see it's a pretty interesting place to visit in our town. The central square is pretty big and it's much more interesting when some celebrations took place in our town. In the front you can see artilleria's Pagrabi. In translation it means artillery basement. Actually it's a cafe. Pretty interesting and not not typical place, but I suggest you to visit it in some Friday or Sunday evening. On the front you can see a red brick building. It's actually a fire department. And after that is located a big park, what is called Dubrovnik Park. I will tell a little bit more about this park history and why this park is called Dubrovnik Park in the next part of the video. Thank you for watching this long and see you in the next time. Goodbye.